News Alliance. Action inevitable against 10 Kuki MLAs Satyabrata. Fresh violence breaks out, ex-MLA detained. Now, news in brief. Action inevitable against 10 Kuki MLAs Satyabrata, maintaining that he has been looking into the issue over the demand for a separate administration by the 10 Kuki MLAs. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata has asserted that necessary action would be initiated according to the rules and procedure of the Assembly. Replying to queries from media persons during his inspection visit in the Yaskul Assembly constituency on Monday, Satyabrata said that reactions and complaints from different quarters, including political parties, against the 10 Kuki MLAs have been received, including memorandums submitted for their disqualification. All the 60 members are bound by certain rules and regulations of the Assembly. If any legislator violates rules of the Assembly, then necessary action can be initiated against the legislator concerned according to the rules. The same also applies to the 10 MLAs who have demanded a separate administration for the Kukis, he maintained. While expressing sadness over the communal violence in the state, T.S. Satyabrata appealed all to ensure that no such incidents recur and that peace prevails. He also assured of all necessary efforts from his end for the victims of ethnic violence. Fresh violence breaks out, ex-MLA detained. Fresh violence broke out in New Chekon area of Imphal East District on Monday after some armed persons threatened elderly women vendors not to ply their wares without their permission. As soon as news of the threat spread, people of other communities came out and challenged them. The irate mob also beat up one of the miscreants while the others managed to run away. In connection with the incident, at least 3 persons, including a former MLA, have been taken into custody by the police.
Kuki naharol ni thulaga kano ima duda nungmai namme nungmai nambadagi ima do na kidana akoi marakte chenjalakpadagi nungko ingonda chenjalakpadagi akoi praja mayam je thuksarakpani.
As words spread about the threat to the women vendors, locals congregated in the market area demanding arrest of the armed persons and the appropriate legal actions against them. Amid the chaos, some unidentified miscreants set ablaze already damaged and abandoned houses, while 3 journalists who were covering the incident and 5 firefighters trying to put out the fire were injured after army personnel posted there assaulted them. According to the eyewitness accounts, some suspected Kuki militants threatened elderly women vendors at the local market at gunpoint and asked them to vacate the market, stating that they cannot carry out threat without their permission. Fearing for their lives, the women vendors fled the market and raised an alarm. As the number of locals started to swell, Imphal East District Police and Central Security Forces rushed into the spot and carried out search operation, during which the 3 persons, including ex-MLA Titi Haukip, were arrested and 2 single-barrel guns recovered. In the meantime, more people from the surrounding areas gathered but were dispersed by the security forces amid the chaos. Unidentified miscreants tore some damaged and abandoned houses near Brighter Academy School and Haukip Bank. Soon firefighters of Manipur Fire Service arrived to douse the blaze. However, they were assaulted by personnel of 16th Jat Regiment, in which 1 leading fireman, 1 sub-officer, 1 driver and 2 firemen were injured. The Jat Regiment personnel also assaulted 3 journalists who were covering the incident. Consequent to the incident, District Administration Imphal is shortened the curfew relaxation hour to 1 p.m. On the other hand, a government statement said that around 12:25 p.m., about 3 Kuki miscreants suspected to be possessing arms had intimidated the locals, including Meitei Kabui and Meitei Pangal, not to open shops in the tribal market New Chekon, saying that the land belongs to the Kuki only. Shopkeepers had heated argument with the 3 miscreants and reported the matter to police. The situation was brought under control by Imphal East District Police and the RA personnel. 3 persons, namely former MLA of Hanglep SC T Thangzalan Haukip 71, son of Let Thangzanchin Haukip, John Lalak Haukpao Gangte 19, son of Mary Gangte, and Vicky Mangolam Singson 35, son of Thana Singson, all of New Lambulan, Chekon, were picked up along with 2 SBBL guns by Impal East District Police in connection with the incident. As the agitated mob burned down 3 houses in the area, senior officers including ADGP LO, IGP Zone 1 and SP Impal East rushed to the spot. Fire renders control. The fire curfew relaxation in Impal East has been shortened from 4 p.m. to 1 p.m. in Impal West and 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Impal East. The government statement added, the tribal market is a popular market area for vendors of all communities including the Kabui Naga, Meitei and Meitei Pangals. As the clash ensured, army personnel deployed in the area used force and fire tear gas cells to disperse the mob, resulting in minor injuries to a few people.